Hey guys, welcome to back my channel. Today I'll share 3 wholesome one-pot meals. It's perfect for those tired evening. Have you ever felt too tired to cook after coming home? And dreaded seeing the pile of dishes waiting after the meal? So today's recipe are packed with my healthy and quick hacks. You just need to toss everything in a pan and wait. Also, you can get free PDF with today's recipe and more healthy one-pot meal ideas from the description. Are you ready for cooking? Let's get started. The first one-pan dish we'll be making is healthy tofu hamburger steak. I used to eat a lot these Japanese elementary school lunches, and it was healthy favorite. It's simple and delicious choice that's popular in Japan. By mixing some tofu into the meat, you get high protein, satisfying dinner that's easy on the wallet. And trust me, even if you are not tofu fan, it's so tasty you'll hardly notice it's there. Let's kick things off finely chopping onion. I used to find chopping tedious, but using manual blender has significantly cut down my prep time, so my favorite. Next we're gonna add everything we need for the patty to a pan. Ground meat, chopped onion, tofu, breadcrumbs, and egg. Next for the seasoning, salt and pepper, add nutmeg and bouillon. Give it a good mix. You might hesitate to knead in the pan, but it doesn't affect the taste, so no worries. Give it a good mix, then shape it for hamburger steak in the pan. 2 is also fine. Make sure to press little dimple in the center of each for even cooking. To keep the patty from crumbling, gently toss it between your hand, like you're playing catch, to get rid of any air pocket. You don't need to oil the pan, just heat it up. And then cover and let it cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, its one side is well cooked. Flip it over. We then make a Japanese-style sauce. It pairs well with tofu and has fewer carbohydrates compared to ketchup sauce. We're gonna mix soy sauce, mirin, sake, grated garlic, and melt the butter. But if you're a ketchup sauce fan, I've got the option in the description for you to try. Cover and cook over low heat for 10 minutes. Once both sides are golden and the inside is cooked through, now it's ready to enjoy. It pairs perfectly with a rice or bread for a downright delicious dinner. This hamburger steak is recommended for freezer storage and it can be stored for 2 to 3 weeks. I have 2 more one-pot meals to show you. The next dish is simple, using affordable ingredients to create wholesome and upscale dinner. Stuffed cabbage rolls, inspired by Turkish dolma and adapted in Japan, our favorite. Start by finely chopped onion. I'll be using my go-to manual blender to save time. I always try to make tasty meal with a minimal effort. If you have any time-saving tips, please share them. Okay, let's begin the filling. Instead of a bowl, we are using a pot. We're gonna add 250 to 300 gram meat. If your goal is to lose weight, opt for beef or chicken for the meat. We mix chopped onion, 1 egg, breadcrumbs, which can be substituted with potato starch. Next we're gonna add milk, salt and pepper, grated garlic, and nutmeg. Make sure to knead everything well. Next we'll prepare half cabbage and use knife to cut hollow out the center in a circular motion. Then roughly chop the removed part and set aside. Next we're gonna stuff the cabbage with the filling, placing the stuffed side down in a pot. You can also add chopped cabbage. Adding cheese is good optional. To the pot, we're gonna add a can or 2 fresh tomatoes, ketchup, oyster sauce, honey or sugar, bouillon, and water. For the final step is cover and simmer on low heat for 40 minutes. After cook, you have seemingly elaborate but super easy dinner. Of course, this dish pairs well with bread or rice, but it's super satisfying. You might not need them. You can store in the fridge for up to 3 days or freeze for a month. This is so easy to make and healthy and high protein, so highly recommended. Next we are making bibimbap. In Korean cuisine, bibimbap means mixed rice. It might look complex, but it's quite simple. I love bibimbap because it's a completely nutritious meal. It's great for diet and help reduce bloating and improve digestion. First up, we're gonna flavor the meat. In a pan, we're gonna add sesame oil, soy sauce, sake or white wine, and sugar or honey. I'm using Lakanto. Water, chicken broth, grated garlic, and ginger. You can add sesame seed to taste. Mix everything well. After adding the seasoning, once it's boiled, add the meat. Once the meat's done, we're gonna add vegetable. Just rinse bean sprout. To save time, cut the spinach directly in the pan with scissors. I'm using slicer for the carrot. When using a knife, it's important to cut thinly to ensure the flavor soak in well. And then we're gonna add a bit of salt to remove water. Then cover and steam for 5 minutes. I've been making bibimbap often since I returned from solo trip to Korea, where I couldn't forget the delicious taste of bibimbap I had there. Once the moisture from the veggie has evaporated, add your favorite rice and cheese. This time I'm gonna use brown rice, but you can use any rice or even pressed tofu. Adapt it to fit your goal or taste. Actually, brown rice has about the same energy as white rice, but packed about 6 times the fiber, so keeping hunger at bay. If you want more soup ideas, please check the PDF. Next, we're gonna place the egg right in the center. If you are spicy lover, add some kimchi, gochujang, or doenjang to taste. Kimchi has a lot of vitamin, by the way. Finish with chorizo with sesame oil and some sesame seed. Now it looks perfect. Next, we're gonna mix all up and let the rice get a little crispy on medium heat. Now you have it, bibimbap. So easy and delicious. I can eat every single day without getting bored. Hopefully today's video gave you some fresh inspiration. So making healthy and delicious recipe doesn't have to be hard. And if you want more healthy one pot recipe and variation and street tips, check the PDF in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And don't miss out on more healthy recipe and tips. I'll see you again next week. Bye!